What's going on, everybody? I got this new type of product here from Yarstar. They contacted me and asked me to open this up and check it out and give a little review on it. This is like their little animated door handle. They call it doorbell, I think. It's not really a doorbell. It's more like a door handle, but it has this animated skeleton hand on there, and it has a place that takes water and supposedly creates mist, like a smoky look, and it has lights on it. And also this thing makes sound, so let's open it up and check it out. Okay, looks like we got a hook here. All right, we've got a couple of sticky back hooks here, so you have the option to use those hooks to hang it up with. We got a little bag here of some bats and some little sticky circles. I believe there's 24 bats total, all different sizes. And it's like a hard plastic type of bat. And you've got the little sticky back circles for those bats. That's just a decoration that is in here with it. We got a little bottle right here. This is to put the water in there and add it to the machine here. And we have the door handle right here. It's got a hook on the back right here, so you can also hang it by that hook. It's got a couple of offsets there to keep it off of whatever surface you're gonna put this on. And you got your battery box right here with your on-off button. Right here is where the water goes in. And there's that skeleton hand right there. All right, I got batteries in it. I've got water in it. You just pull open that cap right there, and it takes about 1/3 of this container to fill it up. You're gonna wanna make sure that you've got either a rag or wherever you hang this, that the surface underneath it is okay to get wet. Just the nature of the mist, you are gonna get some water dripping. So as long as you got this thing outside, you know, on the concrete or something like that that it's dripping on, you're gonna be just fine. If you got it on carpet or something, just be aware that it is gonna drip just a little bit of water. Now you do have this other hook right here on the back, so if you've got a nail or something on your door already, it can just slide right into that. Of course, you've got that hook and the two sticky back adhesive hooks right there. You got all those bats right here with the adhesive sticky backs just to help you decorate a little bit. We'll turn this thing on and check it out. I do like the hand. It's a nice material. You got a little bit of a bone right here sticking out there. You got some good detail coming down it with a couple skulls on each side. And you got your speaker right here, and the mist comes right out of here with some light. You got a red light on here, and the mist is blue. Kind of moves around the hand, and I think this thing's pretty cool. Let's check it out here. I love the mist on that. I think the mist really makes it. Okay, I thought it was a blue light. It's a red light. Pretty cool with that mist coming out of there. I like that it's not scary, so you could have it in any Halloween display. But if you have a really spooky, scary display, you could use this also, because just the sound and the mist and the light, it's gonna fit right in with just about any display. All right, I'm in the darkest room of my house. I just want to turn this thing on and check it out. I think the movement is cool. I think the sound is cool. I love the mist. I love the LED lights. The quality is actually pretty good. It's a thicker type plastic, and I think this thing will fit right in with any Halloween display. I will say it is sensitive to light, so about the best place to put this is on a wall where people are gonna walk through and break the light up as they walk through it. That's gonna set this thing off, so it'll have a for sure on that. That way when the people walk through, it's really gonna catch their attention there. Animation's good, the sound's good. There you have it. That is the door handle from Yarstar. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will catch you on the next one. Mike Hill out.